With the MSI 4 series gaming controllers, you take control of the game. Whether you play soccer games, racing games, or perhaps a combination of the two, MSI got you covered. There are two different MSI Force game controllers. The gc20 offers a great all-round gaming experience, while the gc30 adds the benefit of wireless freedom. Both models feature two analog sticks with high accuracy for smooth movement. On top you can find two analog triggers, giving you full control of the game. The MSI Force game controllers excel in durability with their metal D-pad covers. They come with two different designs with a magnetic attachment system, allowing you to switch for your preferred game type. On top of that, the button switches offer a 2 million click lifespan, ensuring the best performance for multiple years of gaming. The gc20 and gc30 are equipped with dual vibration motors to enhance the gaming experience and provide sensory information to maximize your gameplay. The gc20 can be connected to your PC or gaming console using a removable 2 meter long USB cable. In the box you will also find an OTG adapter so you can connect it to your Android device. The gc30 is connected wirelessly, utilizing a 2.4 GHz wireless connection and a built-in rechargeable lithium battery. However, both the USB cable and OTG adapter are included in the box as well, so you can also use it as a wired controller. If you want to know more about the MSI 4 series gaming controllers, make sure to visit our website.